A pickup truck is the most popular car in America, and the Hubie Boy Wild Monster is one of the top car accessories any truck owner can have. It's a loading system for pickup trucks that can lift up to 500 kilograms of heavy goods directly on the vehicle. It's easy to use and versatile, as it can be mounted and removed like a roof rack after the first installation. It's suitable for mid-size pickup trucks such as Ford Ranger, Toyota Hilux, VW Amarok, Nissan Navara, etc. Made in Switzerland, it offers the highest comfort and safety when loading and unloading. It comes with a remote control that's very easy to use. Coming up, we have some smart car gadgets and accessories for pickup trucks and much more. Aeration is the process of creating small holes in the ground to allow air, water, and nutrients to reach the soil. It's essential to have a green and dense lawn. With this new product, aeration is no problem, as now you can aerate your lawn with any car in your garage. With a little maneuver, this unique wheel attachment can be fixed to any car. What's more impressive is that the manufacturers claim the gadget works at speeds of 80 kilometers per hour. So, do you need a healthy lawn? A hailstorm can be pretty dangerous for your car. And that's why this company's launched this ingenious product. A hailstorm can damage your vehicle, but once you get this amazing hail protector, you'll be much more relieved, as it preserves your automobile for years. It's a patented product and is a portable inflatable cover that uses high volume air to create a cushion around your car. It can stop any size hail from denting or scratching your car's surface. It also has a mobile app that alerts you of hail forecasts and warnings. It comes in 6 different sizes, covering every car from your sedan to your SUV or pickup truck, with the largest version costing you $500. It's also pretty easy to install and can be activated in just 20 minutes via the mobile app. As you've taken care of the hail, our next incredible invention takes excellent care of the rainwater, making it a must-have. The Rain Basin is an 8-gallon kit that can be mounted on the top of your off-road vehicle and acts as a water storage tank. However, that's not all, as it comes with loads of features, such as the tank being made up of LDPE materials, making it safe for drinking water. It also comes with a 60 psi pump that offers highly pressurized water, which can be used for cooking, cleaning, drinking, or washing. It also contains a 16-foot hose with a spray nozzle and a quick connector. On top of that, it comes with a bracket and hardware needed to secure the tank to your vehicle. The price is, however, a bit high at $240. People who are always off the road and want their SUVs protected will love the next invention. The manufacturers of this incredible tool call it the Extreme 4x4 Multi-Tool, and its sturdy performance explains why. It's made of extremely strong 1/4-inch thick steel and has a 12-inch wide contact point that can slide over rocks, logs, and other obstacles. This multi-tool prevents bumpers, trims, spare tires, and exhaust damage. It's designed to fit most Jeeps, Toyota 4x4s, trucks, and SUVs with the standard 2-inch hitch receiver. It also has a lifetime warranty and is very easy to install and remove. It also has a built-in bottle opener to help you enjoy a drink anywhere. Coming down to the top 10 inventions, we still have the fantastic solar car umbrella coming up later. Roadmaster Tow Bar is a towing product designed for RV owners. Manufactured by Roadmaster Inc., a reputable American company with over 50 years of experience, it offers 4 tow bar options. You'll need a compatible base plate that attaches to your vehicle's frame to use a Roadmaster tow bar. Roadmaster also offers supplementary products like braking systems, wiring kits, and trailer suspensions to provide a comprehensive towing solution. Using finite element analysis technology, it uses computerized technology to maneuver itself. This computerized device is available for $1,600. Do you own a pickup truck? If yes, then you would love this new addition you can add to your vehicle. Lifting bikes on the top of your car can be quite a daunting task, and this Canadian company has just launched the perfect product to cater to this. The Bike eRack is a self-loading bike rack that can carry up to 5 bikes or e-bikes on your vehicle's hitch. It has a remote control that operates the rack's motor and lifts the bikes onto the track, a locking system that secures the bikes to the rack and prevents theft, and a tilting mechanism that allows access to the trunk or tailgate without removing the bikes. It's a high-quality and convenient solution to take care of your bikes while on an adventure. The price of a single bike model is $1,800. Moving on, we still have some incredible additions you can make to your pickup trucks, so don't go anywhere. Sometimes getting into your big SUV or truck can be a difficult task, and to solve that, this ingenious electric side step will help you. It's created by an Indian company and comes with loads of features. To start off, it contains a sensor that detects when you open or close your door and automatically extends or retracts the step. It has a sleek design that blends with your vehicle's body and does not affect ground clearance without affecting the look of your car. The side step can support a weight of 400 kilograms, and it's compatible with most of the vehicles around, such as BMW, Range Rover, Mercedes, and more. Later in the video, we have a car tire coming up that looks straight out of a sci-fi film. Moving your containers from one place to another takes a lot of work. This product offers an easy and quick way to move your containers with control and precision. With this invention, you don't need any additional machinery to load and unload containers, and it also offers faster loading and unloading times than traditional truck hauling method. One person can handle this easily, and this trailer can be pretty effective in congested spaces. Is parallel parking a problem for you? Well, get your hands on this fantastic gadget. This incredible car jack cart works exceptionally well and can parallel park any car in seconds. However, one big question about this invention is its price tag, which is $4,000. Moreover, do you think traffic police will allow this type of design? Well, I guess you'll have to buy it to get the answer. Moving down to the top 5 inventions on our list today, we saved the best for the very last. Sometimes even having a pickup truck means less space, and you can always have more with this new bed extender. It's made by Rough Country, a company that offers suspension systems and off-road products. It's made of lightweight aluminum that's corrosion-resistant and powder-coated, and can flip out or in depending on your needs, and secure your items with a tailgate lock. This will help keep your tailgate open, and you can get this clever solution for $180. Now you can transport your bikes, tools, and cargo without any worries. Up next, let's discuss having a new seat for your pet dog. The manufacturers of this product believe that your 4-legged company should have its unique seat. That's why they've created this unique seat that attaches to your vehicle seat and holds your dog securely and comfortably. It has plenty of features, such as a waterproof and washable cover containing liquid, dirt, and hair. It also contains a harness system that adjusts to your dog's size and prevents them from jumping out or getting injured. You'll also get a collapsible design that folds flat for easy storage or transport. It also fits most 4-door cars perfectly and weighs 10 kilograms. It's an ideal seat for dogs weighing anywhere from 18 to 36 kilograms. This product comes at a high price of $700. Do you hate your car being hot after it stays in the sun for too long? Well, we have the perfect solution for you. If you're looking for a way to keep your car cool and clean, you might want to check out the solar-powered electric retractable car umbrella. This innovative device is a fabric canopy that attaches to your car's roof and expands to cover it with the push of a button. The solar panels on the canopy can also charge your electric car, and the solar-powered electric retractable car umbrella is compatible with most cars, from SUVs to sedans. Moreover, it can be controlled by a remote or an app on your smartphone. It's easy to install and remove and folds flat for storage when not in use. This umbrella will cost you $500, but will ensure you never return to a hot car. Goodyear introduced the C100 concept tire designed exclusively for the electric SUV Citroën 1919 concept car, which marks the brand's 100th anniversary this year. It uses advanced sensor technology to sense the road surface and weather conditions. It can adjust its shape, pressure, and tread pattern accordingly. It can also transmit data to the car's autonomous control system, enhancing driver performance and safety. The Goodyear C100 has a unique design that combines aesthetics and functionality. It has a meter-long diameter and narrow width, reducing rolling resistance and improving efficiency. Are you surprised to see them on the road? Coming down to number 1, we have a military-grade invention coming up that can actually save lives. This incredible vehicle armor is constructed using the same armor the US military uses. It can be attached to any vehicle and will bulletproof your vehicle's doors and windows. It's the largest and strongest armor panel ever developed, weighing 10 kilograms. Police departments across the country have chosen this technology for their cars, and the NYPD is the latest addition to the list. Hopefully, we can see a much safer and more protected world after this incredible invention.